While I'm still waiting for some parts to do the jobs I mentioned in the previous video, and for my motivation to do some heavy lifting, I've come up with a small yet still significant job to do today. Let's put on some dirty clothes, some gloves, and see how we can fix the sagging doors. There's a lot of play in the door hinge. I'm not sure exactly what's causing that. I believe that the pin that connects the hinge is worn out and that's what's causing all the play. But I have to take the door out to be sure and to see what I can do to fix it. Fortunately for me, this is probably the easiest door in the world to take off. All I have to do is disconnect the limiter here and 4 bolts and it comes out. No cables, no plugs, no vacuum lines, no nothing. God damn it, it's heavy. With everything disassembled, you can see that there's no wear on the pin whatsoever. It's perfectly good. Same goes for the hinge, no wear there. It's these copper inserts that have taken all the beating throughout the years, and I was able to find some replacements online for these. They usually come together with the hinge, and frankly they cost a little bit more than I'm willing to spend. I tried manufacturing my own from some copper tubes, but I failed miserably at that, and I don't think it's possible with the tools and patience I have. That's why I came up with another solution, which includes longer bolts and washers. My plan is to put a couple of washers here between the mounting point and the hinge itself. This will rotate the entire door like so. It's going to prevent it from rubbing and it's going to fix the problem. There's 2 downsides. First of all, this does absolutely nothing to fix the play in the door, which I don't think it matters at all. And the second downside is that we're shifting the door a bit off of its axis, which means when it's fully open, it's going to be a little bit more inclined to stay open. But again, I don't think that's worth worrying about. If I ever manage to source the copper inserts, I can remove the washers and fix it properly. My last problem is to figure out how to install the door with the washers, because I feel like I'm gonna need a 3rd or a 4th hand for this part. I present to you Door Support 3000. I adjusted it as best as I could in the old spots. The big washers are right where they were before. This one needed to come all the way out. I also connected the limiter, and now it's time to give it the ultimate test. Also, the gaps are pretty parallel, especially the one on top and the one on the bottom. They look good, so I'm happy with that. All that's left now is to copy and paste it on the other side. Of course, the washer method is no secret. It's been out there for ages. I'm sure some of you know about it as well. Most importantly, the door won't be rubbing on the chassis anymore, and I'm happy about that. I hope you found this video useful and you a little bit enjoyed it at least. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!